Welcome to the best picks. The best Alabama rig is probably one of the most effective multi-lure fishing systems ever created. Designed to mimic a school of baitfish, it significantly increases your chances of attracting larger, predatory fish. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, understanding how to properly use this rig can dramatically improve your fishing success and make your time on the water more rewarding. Number 5. 5 Arms Alabama Rig Ultralight Bass Lures Kit. This innovative rig is designed to attract bass with its multi-lure presentation. It features 5 arms, allowing you to mimic a school of baitfish. This will significantly increase your chances of a successful catch. The ultralight design ensures that it is easy to cast and retrieve. This feature allows you to cover more water with less effort. The lightweight build also provides increased sensitivity, helping you detect even the slightest bites. Equipped with a willow blade, this rig creates flash and vibration in the water. This attracts fish from a distance, triggering their predatory instincts. The blade adds an extra layer of appeal to the presentation. This rig is specifically designed for bass fishing. It is ideal for targeting both largemouth and smallmouth bass. It is a versatile tool that can be used in various water conditions. Built with quality materials, this rig is built to last. Its design ensures it can withstand the rigors of fishing. It is a reliable choice for anglers of all levels. What we like. This rig is designed with an ultralight build, making it perfect for younger anglers or those who prefer a more delicate approach. It features a willow blade that adds flash and vibration to attract fish. If you're looking for a rig that's easy to handle and effective in various conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The umbrella rig is a great way to catch multiple fish at once. This rig is well made and durable, with strong wires and swivels. The design of the Alabama rig allows for a natural presentation of swim baits, which attracts fish. Number 4. Umbrella Fishing Rig Kit Set. This umbrella fishing bait rigs kit is designed for simplicity. The swim bait and jig head are perfectly combined, making it easy to use. You just need to hang the swim bait on the rig's arms. One thing to keep in mind is that if a big fish bites, you'll need to replace the entire bait. This could increase the cost. However, the effectiveness often outweighs the expense. The kit includes 2 sets of umbrella fishing rigs in 2 colors. You'll notice the swim baits vary in size. Remember to put the largest swim bait at the end, as fish often target the last one. Try mixing different colors of swim baits. For instance, use 4 small green baits and a white one at the end. This can attract bigger fish, as they are sensitive to color differences. The largest swim bait weighs 26 grams, so it can feel heavy. It's best to start with lighter swim baits to search. Once you find fish, switch to the larger one. Boat trolling is ideal for this rig, in both fresh and saltwater. What we like. This kit offers a simple setup with pre-rigged swim baits and jig heads, saving you time and effort on the water. It comes with multiple sets, allowing you to experiment with different colors and sizes. If you're a beginner or prefer a hassle-free experience, this rig is a great choice. What people say. Worked well. Works good. Caught 3 snook on it. Lost the rig to something really big about 2 hours into fishing, overall great. Only downside is that the lures get hooked on each other with long casts. Number 3. Umbrella Fishing Rig Kit with Weedness Bait Lure. This Alabama umbrella rig kit is a complete and economical set. It includes willow leaf blades and fishing lures. It's a great value for your money. This rig is designed to attract fish. It comes with lures of different sizes and colors, mimicking a school of fish. This makes it irresistible to predators. The kit is very easy to use. The swim bait and lead hook are already combined. You just need to attach the swim bait to the rig's arms. The lure colors are chosen to attract fish. You can also mix and match different colors. Remember, fish often go for the lagging bait, so put the biggest lure at the end. The kit includes weedless base lures in various sizes. There are different weights and lengths, all with sharp hooks. This ensures you're well equipped for your fishing trip. What we like. This kit is an economical complete set, including willow leaf blades and multiple lures. The design perfectly simulates a school of fish, making it a fatal attraction for predators. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-use rig that maximizes your chances of a catch, this is the one. What people say. Excellent qualidad. First cast was a thriller. Number 2. Alabama Rig 3-Arm Fishing Lure Kit. This Alabama rig features a lifelike fish head with 3D eyes. The vivid appearance helps attract larger fish, increasing your chances of a successful catch. It's designed to trigger multiple strikes at once. Made with heavy-duty stainless steel wires, this rig is both strong and lightweight. The design allows swim baits to react quickly, and the premium snap swivels make it easy to change lures. This artificial bait gives anglers plenty of power. This fishing lure is effective for catching a wide range of fish, including bass, striper, and walleye. It works well in both saltwater and freshwater environments, and is suitable for various water conditions. You can use it in lakes, rivers, or from a boat. The A-rig is a big fish catcher and can trigger nearly simultaneous strikes from 2 or even 3 fish at times. The design helps to target and lure big fishes faster than normal fishing lure baits. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, this versatile lure is designed to enhance your fishing experience. It's a reliable tool for attracting a variety of fish species in different water conditions. What we like. This rig features a lifelike fish head with 3D eyes, making it highly attractive to fish. It's made with durable, flexible stainless steel wires. If you're looking to increase your chances of catching multiple fish at once, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The umbrella rig is a great bait for catching multiple fish at once. This rig is perfect for targeting suspended fish. The design of the Alabama rig allows for a realistic presentation in the water. Number 1. Alabama Umbrella Rigs Fishing Lure 18 cm 8 in 16G. We've improved the blades on this lure. After polishing, the reflective quality is greatly enhanced, making it even more appealing to fish. This will help you catch more fish. This compact umbrella rig is designed to mimic a school of shad. The shiny blades create a lifelike swimming action that baits find irresistible. It's a proven fish catcher. Featuring 3D eyes and a simulated fish head, this lure is 18 cm long and weighs 16G. The size and design are perfect for attracting a variety of predatory fish. It looks just like the real thing. The rig is designed with 5 strong steel arms for strength and flexibility. High-quality snaps and swivels make it easy to rig with various lures. It's built to last and perform. It's not uncommon to catch multiple fish at the same time with this lure. It's effective for bass and other species that feed on shad. Give it a try and see for yourself. What we like. This rig features polished blades that greatly enhance its reflective properties, attracting fish from a distance. It's designed to simulate a school of shad, making it irresistible to bass and other predators. If you like a rig that attracts a wide variety of species, this is the one for you. What people say. Shipped quick and product was just as expected. Good quality at a great price point. I have yet to fish with it, but it is set up to go and seems like a fine product, especially for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.